First and foremost, we will going to start with the background projects. So, Penang Island is a major urban centre in Malaysia, face challenges in its public transport system, including limited connectivity, heavily reliance on private vehicles, and also traffic congestions. The island's hilly trains and complex urban layout make it difficult to implement traditional public transport solutions and effectively. And innovations to push is needs to enhance mobility and sustainability. So we continue with the aims of projects. The aim of developing an autonomous electric shuttle networks for Penang Island is multiphase, which is focused on efficiency. Next, accessibility. Third is environmental friendly, and the last aim of this project is for public transport. For the efficiency, we focus on the optimized transportation routes and schedule, which is reducing overall time travel for passenger. Next is accessibility, which is the shuttle network intend to enhance accessibility for all residents and visitors, include those with mobility challenges. Third is the environmental friendly, which is by using electric vehicles (EV), the projects aim to significantly reduce carbon emissions and air pollution on Penang Island. Next is for the aims of project, we have public transport, which is by having this autonomous electric shuttle network, we are offering an alternative to private vehicles that can alleviate traffic congestion.
So the next part is objectives. The first objective is to establish a network of autonomous electric shuttles to connect key destinations and public transport hubs on the island. Next is improve last mile connectivity and accessibility to public transport for residents and visitors. Next is reduce reliance on private vehicles and promote sustainable mobility. And lastly, showcase the potential of autonomous and electric technologies in the public transport.
So the next slide is about the scope of project. The project will cover the entire Penang Island with a focus on connecting major residential areas, commercial centre, tourist attraction and public transport modes. For example, ferry terminals, bus station and the upcoming Penang Light Rail Transit System. For literature review, several cities around the world have successfully implemented autonomous shuttle services to enhance their public transport system. For example, the city of Reims in France has been operating an autonomous electric shuttle services since 2018, connecting the city centre with a nearby business district. The service has been well received by the public and has contributed to a reduction of private car usage.
So, the explanation of the solution and approach. The proposed autonomous electric shuttle network for Penang Island will be modelled after successful implementation in cities like Reims. The shuttle will be equipped with advanced autonomous driving technology and powered by electric motors. Next is method technology used. The project will utilize the following technologies, such as autonomous driving system, including sensor, camera, and AI-powered decision-making algorithm. Next is time frame. The autonomous electric shuttle network project for Penang Island will be implemented in 3 phases over a period of 4 years. Next, financial. The estimated budget for this project is 80 million and it will be found through a combination of government grants, private investment and public-private partnership. First, 20 million for vehicle acquisition, 15 million for infrastructure development, 10 million for technology and software, 10 million for operation and maintenance, and another 25 million for miscellaneous.
The next part is benefits. So the first benefit is to improve connectivity and accessibility. Next is to reduce traffic congestion and emissions. Next is promotion and sustainable mobility, and lastly, economic benefits.
Last, we continue with the conclusions. So, the implementations of An autonomous electric shuttle network in Penang Island has a potential to transform the public transport systems by providing efficient, accessible, and sustainable mobility solutions. By leveraging advanced technology and adapting successful models for other cities, these projects can help strengthen public transport planning and operations in the regions, contributing to more reliable and environmental friendly in Penang. That's all from us for autonomous electric shuttle network for Penang Island.